After breakfast, we decided to explore Bangkok today. We we walked half a kilometer from our Airbnb and reached MRT station, which is Ratchadapisek MRT station. Today our plan was to explore Bangkok. For that you have options like cab, MRT, Bangkok BTS, metro. When you decide to go out, you have to really plan your day properly. Otherwise it could be really hectic. Travel in traffic plus the outside weather could be really harsh. It is best to use metro all the time. You can reach any corner of Bangkok in 50 to 100 Thai baht if you choose metro. Even if you don't speak Thai, you will never face issues due to language here in Thailand. From Ratchadapisek, we went to Itsarapap, one of the metro stations. From Itsarapap, you can walk 900 meters to this temple known as Wat Arun temple. This is one of the most famous destinations here. Architecture of this place is amazing. There is some nominal entry fee. You can spend hour to hour and a half here roaming around and taking photos and enjoying the architecture of this place. Surrounding area is very clean. There were lots and lots of tourists from across the world. Wat Arun has a decorated central tower with porcelain tiles and seashells. This temple, Arun means dawn. So this is the temple of sunrise. There were many tourists here. This is one of the most famous landmarks. People come here for photos, sightseeing, wedding shoots, and to enjoy Thai culture. Through your tour guides or at the entrance, there are places from which you can rent your Thai clothes and do some photo shoot if you fancy. A wedding, people come here to take some blessings. People come for wedding shoots as well. We spent few hours here and then walked to Itsarapap metro station again. On the way back, there were many eateries. You could try Thai cuisine here. We tried some pancakes. Spent some more time exploring malls and some shopping places. Went to a supermarket and got some groceries for the evening dinner. It's time for dinner and we were not really habitual on the Thai food yet, so we chose to cook our own dinner. Rather than taking metro directly to our Airbnb, we took a little detour, went to Big C Mall and picked up some supplies. All the spices and masala needed for this, I had already brought that in my bag from India. I brought tomatoes, onions, chicken, green chilies, etc. from the supermarket. We had carried a pressure cooker directly from India, and for exactly this we had purchased extra luggage space in our air tickets. Everything was loaded. It was packed really properly. We had carried Maggi, we had carried Sevai, we had carried a lot of things. I also had purchased and bought mint powder, which is pudina, directly from India because I was not sure whether I'll get the pudina here. So I quickly assembled everything, including pudina powder, my regular spices and green chilies, and started cooking. quickly started with dicing onions and used butter instead of oil because I could not find the oil in like lower packages. I could only find it in packaging which is 1 liter and above. I couldn't really use that because I didn't need to carry that 1 liter oil bottle for rest of my journey. After putting butter in onions for caramelizing, in went the salt and rest of the spices. Prepared the green chilies. I had bought the chicken from the store and it was frozen, so I had to thaw it. We had oven in Airbnb. I placed the chicken in the oven for thawing. Prepare the chicken for marinade after removing from the oven, and I use curd and all the masalas, spices. If you know any of these brands, these are really good spices. Really had carried my own ginger garlic paste because these things you can't really find easily in any supermarkets. Washed my rice twice or thrice and prepared for my chicken rice. Mixed everything together and then set my pressure cooker lid for the final step. One more thing is we were literally carrying our own 5-liter water bottles in the bags from supermarket, and we were using filtered water for everything. Went twice the quantity of water in the single quantity of rice. Close the lid to begin with the pressure cook. While I enjoy my meal, stay tuned for the next video.